Today we're going to be learning a new math game. It's one of my very most favorite games. It's called Build That Number. For this game, all you're going to do, or all you're going to need, is a deck of cards. It doesn't even need to be a complete deck of cards. In this game, you can use the regular cards that you see here as their point value. So a 9 is a 9, an 8 is an 8, obviously, and a 5 is a 5. If you want to make things really interesting, make sure that the ace is equal to 1, jacks are 0, queens are 11, and kings are 12. I like to include these, especially for older students or children that have got more experience, because we do like to have these larger numbers when we focus on multiplication and so on. So to play the game, what you're going to do is you're going to lay out 5 cards. These 5 cards will be the deck that you get to use for this round. So I have a 2, a 7, a 3, a 4, and an ace, which, as we pointed out, is a 1. So these are my playing cards. The next card that I flip over is my target card. This is the number that I'm going to try to build using addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or any other number that you can build. So if my target number is a 9, can anyone see a quick, easy way to build 9 using my cards that are laid out in front of me? I can see that 2 plus 7 is 9. That equation would be 2 plus 7 is 9. Now, if I were to stop there, I would get to keep these 2 cards, okay? I would flip over 2 new cards and place the target number at the bottom and move forward. I'm not going to do that one quite yet, right? Now, but the other thing that you can do, and I'm going to put these back, is can anyone see another way to build a 9? I also noticed that 3 and 4 are 7. So in this situation, I would add 2 plus 3 plus 4. That equals 9 also. 2 plus 3 plus 4 also equals 9, because 3 plus 4 is 7. Now, I can also think of another way to build a 9. I can take my 2 plus 3 plus 4, right? When we already talked about that equals 9, and I can multiply it by 1. Okay? In this way, I am learning order of operations. I'm going to put my parentheses, and I'm going to multiply that by 1, okay? Now, by doing that, I have used all 4 cards. I would get to keep these. These are my cards in my number pile. I'm going to lay out a total of 5 more cards, change my target number to a 9. Oh, I get to make a 9 again. Ooh, wow, this looks interesting. Can anyone see a way to make 9? Well, we have the 7 and the 2 again, right, that we could do that. Can you think of another way to make 9? Can you think of another way to make a 9?
10 minus 8 plus 7.
10 minus 8 is 2. Excellent. Plus 7. Oh, excellent job. This is my photographer, Antonia. 10 minus 8 plus 7 is equal to 9. So Antonia would get these 3 cards. We would put out 3 new cards, change our target number to a 4. And remember, this is an 11. So the game would go back and forth with each person taking turns trying to build the target number. At the end, the person with the most cards is the winner. If we stopped right now, I would win. Hope you enjoy this game. Remember, it's called Build That Number.